Good afternoon, everybody. Today we will see the preparation of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde can be prepared by the oxidation of ethyl alcohol. Second one is by the hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride, and finally, third step is the by hydration of acetylene, that is alkyne. So step by step we can see this all the reaction. So first one is the by the oxidation of ethyl alcohol. Suppose we use this ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. This is the structure of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, when oxidation of ethyl alcohol is carried out, oxidation means addition of oxygen moiety, oxygen atom and removal of hydrogen. So this is the oxidation. If oxidation of ethyl alcohol is carried out in presence of acidifying agent K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, then there is a formation of CH3CHO plus H2O. Means there is a formation of acetaldehyde molecule. So these acetaldehyde molecules can be prepared from by the oxidation of ethyl alcohol by using acidifying agent, that is the K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. Then acetaldehyde is formed. So our next reaction is by the hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride. By the hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride, means alkaline hydrolysis actually there takes place. Number 2 is the by hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride molecules. So CH3 CH Cl Cl. This is the structure of ethylene dichloride molecule. This ethylene dichloride on alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis gives, first of all, gives unstable product, and this unstable product after that there is a formation of our expected molecule, that is our target molecule, that is the acetaldehyde. Twice NaOH. Alkaline hydrolysis is, if that alkaline hydrolysis is carried out, twice Na, this Cl, there is a removal of minus twice NaCl. If we use this CH3, then this CH, OH. First of all, we will get such types of structure. This is the unstable structure, and first of all we will get this unstable structure. This unstable structure after rearrangement gives rise to CH3CH and this O, CH3CHO plus this OH and this H, that is the H2O. This is nothing but the structure of acetaldehyde. So this acetaldehyde can be prepared by ethylene by the hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride. Means if hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride is carried out, first of all we will get the unstable product, then after rearrangement we will get this acetaldehyde molecules, and water molecule is eliminated in these reactions. So this is all about the formation of acetaldehyde from ethylene dichloride molecule. Then our last reaction is by hydration of acetylene. Third reaction is the hydration of acetylene. Third reaction, CH triple bond CH. This is the structure of acetylene. Acetylene on hydration. Hydration means addition of water molecule. For hydration of acetylene, we will use 30% H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid, and 1% HgSO4, that is mercury sulfate. If we use, then there is a formation of such types of product. CH2 double bond CHOH. There is a formation of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is formed when acetylene undergoes hydrolysis, means hydration of acetylene is carried out in presence of 30% sulfuric acid and 1% mercury sulfate, then there is a formation of vinyl chloride. This is the first stage. If after rearrangement we will get CH3 CHO. CH3 CHO plus CH3 and CHO molecules, means there is a formation of acetaldehyde. So this is the last third stage of formation of acetaldehyde, means acetaldehyde molecules can be formed by the acetylation by the hydration of acetylene. If hydration of acetylene is carried out in presence of 30% H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, and 1% HgSO4, that is a mercury sulfate, then there is a formation of, first of all, there is a formation of vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CSOH, that is the structure of vinyl chloride, vinyl alcohol, not fluoride, there is a vinyl alcohol. This is this is the structure of vinyl alcohol, and after rearrangement process we will get this structure, that is a CH3CHO, that is nothing but the structure of acetaldehyde molecules. So these all are the preparation of acetaldehyde. First one is by the oxidation of ethyl alcohol, second one is by hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride, and third one is by the hydration of acetylene, that is the alkyne. Means by step by step we will carry out this process and obtain our targeted molecule, that is the acetaldehyde. So this is all about the formation or preparation of, or the synthesis, we may also call as the synthesis of acetaldehyde. Thank you.